What's up, online shoppers? I want to show you these completely awesome mold-free bath toys by SplashEZ. Now this one here is the ambulance, school bus, and garbage truck. A favorite with my boys, I will tell you. Now if you know anything about babies and bath, you know that bath toys are an essential part of the fun that you can have in the tub. However, one of my biggest pet peeves as a mom is the bath toys that actually mold. So these awesome little bath toys are squishy and smooshy, but underneath, I'll move that a little closer for you, they don't actually have an opening here that water can get into, which means they're gonna float, they're gonna be great in the tub, and they're not gonna get that buildup of black, gross stuff that squishes out when you squish out the water. Now these are great toys for little ones, for the bath, but they go beyond that. You can take them to the beach. They work well in the sandbox. They are awesome. They're a really nice size. The texture of them is a very smooth, kind of velvety texture to them, although they are plastic. They also wash up really well. This is probably the 5th or 6th set of these that I have, and I love the quality. The paint on them sticks no matter how much wear and tear the kids have on these. The colors, vibrant and bright details. You've got even little logos on the doors. They actually look like the vehicles little kids love to watch, like school buses, like garbage trucks, and like ambulances. And these fantastic mold-free bath toys are absolutely my top gift for new moms and new babies. If you are looking for an awesome set of bath toys for your toddler, these ones here by SplashEZ are fantastic. Made in the USA company, beautiful details, super fun, and definitely what our kids are into, and definitely a family favorite at my house.